How's it going, guys? I posted a video about replacing the clutch on a 400. Here's a new clutch we're gonna put on, and I couldn't get the bell off. For the reason I'm posting this one, the bell actually it bolts on here to your flywheel. It's kind of a little bit of a pain because the bolts are actually in between your pulley and your flywheel. So this would be pretty much like this, and then you got your bolts, which would be in between. So what I done, I put a puller on there, try to get it off, because there's the shaft that slides on here. I couldn't get it to come off. I put a wood puller on it. I put this big one on it, and it wouldn't bring it off, and it ended up cracking it here. So I just unbolted it from the flywheel to take it off. So I took it off that, and I put it in a press. Well, when I did, it kind of exploded. It busted all to pieces. But as you can see right here's the bell. When I took it apart, here's the clutch I pulled out when I was showing y'all the other day. You got 4 screws here that unscrews it from this plate on the inside, which I busted it whenever everything shattered on me in the press a few minutes ago. But anyway, all this shattered. So what I done to get this off, right here is your shaft. Right here's your shaft that bolts to your flywheel, and your new clutch just slides on that. Well, I couldn't get it apart, and then I just had to pretty much the pieces here. So what I done, I just took a cutting disc on a grinder. The keyway is what makes it so hard to come off, because the keyway gets rusted on. So that's pretty much like that. So what I did, I just took a cutting disc on a grinder, and I went down both sides of it and cut it and took it off. When you're cutting it though, you have to cut through the bearings, which it don't matter, because when you got a new clutch, you're gonna replace that anyway. So, but pretty much sometimes, man, if they don't come off, you gotta be a little brutal with them. Just take your cutting disc and just go to town on it. But we're gonna get this one put back together, and hopefully that helps. Thanks. If you like my videos, you can click down below and subscribe, and there'll be more videos. Thanks.